Okay, I'm going to demonstrate on how to do a current draw test. A lot of students tend to struggle with this test because you actually have to break the circuit apart and then put your meter in series with it. So I'm going to show, I've got a window motor here that we know is good. So I've got my ground hooked up, which is the green on this, and then I've got my red side actually fused with a 4-amp fuse. So if I just hook up here, and then I'm going to turn my jump pack on, my motor rotates. So we have current flowing through this motor right now. Now to measure that, we have to break the circuit apart and make our meter become part of the circuit. So we're going to need the power to flow out of the jump box into our test leads, through the meter, then into the actual motor. So I'm going to show you how we do that. Set my meter up. I'm going to disconnect this for now. I set my meter up to the amp scale. This one does DC or AC in that position. And you see right here, it shows 10 amp. This is a fused position on this meter, so you need to make sure that you put the lead in the proper position and you've selected the right spot on the actual selector. So now what I'm going to do is hook one end of my test lead to the power side of the jump box, and then the other end is actually going to provide power now to the circuit. So I'm just going to hold my fuse here. And so it's going out of my test lead through this fuse, and this motor is using up about 1.3 to 1.4 amps as it runs. So that's how you do a current draw test.